In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automated emails to use in workflows in Hubspot, a comprehensive guide for 2024. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to improve the efficiency of your marketing efforts, setting up automated emails within your workflows can be a game changer. So let's dive right in and break down the process step by step. To get started, you'll want to navigate to your HubSpot account. Once there, head over to the trial guide. This is where you'll find the necessary tools and options for configuring your automated emails. Think of this as your dashboard, where all the magic happens. After accessing the full trial guide, the next thing you want to do is click on the Marketing tab. This tab is your gateway to a range of functionalities in HubSpot that will allow you to effectively connect with your audience, manage campaigns, and crucially, send those automated emails effortlessly. Once inside the Marketing section, you'll see an option labeled Email. Click on it. This will take you to the area where you manage all of your email communications. Here, you'll be able to see all past and present email campaigns and, most importantly, create new ones. Now that you are in the email section, you'll want to click on Create Email. This initiates the process of crafting a new email that you can later automate within your workflows. Creating an email in HubSpot is intuitive and offers a variety of templates to help you get started. Choose a template that aligns with your brand's look and feel, or start from scratch if you prefer a more customized approach. After selecting your template, the next step is crucial. Click on Send through an automation. This option is essential for hooking your email into your existing workflows. By doing this, you ensure that your emails are sent automatically based on the triggers or conditions you've set in your HubSpot workflows. That's it! You've successfully set up an automated email using HubSpot. Take a moment to review your email and ensure everything is set just as you want it, checking details like subject lines, content, and any personalization tokens you may have used to keep your communication personalized and engaging. With your automated email ready, it can now be seamlessly integrated into a workflow to send to your recipients at the optimal time, saving you valuable time and effort while maximizing engagement. This powerful feature enables you to nurture leads, inform your customers, and grow your business all in one go. Thank you for joining me in this guide. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out. Until next time, happy marketing and take care.